full tilt. Gonna give our best shot to get a jackpot. Let's see how good we do.
What are you about to do, man?
This ball's gonna drop. And then I gotta like tilt it.
Oh, I see. All right, folks. Oh! With a descent that is reaching.
Oh, right next to
right
the
in
1,000.
the 10. Okay, I get it
Right
now.
in the 10.
Here at Dave & Buster's, Battle Arcade.
All right, I'm going to the right this time.
All right, my man's going to the right, and we're looking to get us a jackpot. You see what he's got to do? Tilt it through to the bottom. Another
right to
10.
the 10.
Folks, it's the man. It's the 10 man, and I'm not talking about the Wizard of Oz this time. This dude gets 10. He gets 10s every time. It'll be a 500 down
The
there.
10 man, who are you?
I'm the man. If I got on there, you'd see I was the 500 man. But I'm just gonna let it go. Oh, right in at 20. Oh, wait, no, is that a? We got a 20. You won 20 tickets.
Hey,
play again.
I upped it. Doubled the score that time.
It's like you did 2 turns in 1, man. Way to go. Way to save tokens. That's basically what you did. You're like Clark Howard, man. I thought I was gonna get a 10, but I can get 20. Another 20. Getting them on the side. Yeah. Hey. Man, that's what I keep trying to tell you. Just keep going for something better than the 10, man. Try to get to 20 and work your way up.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna work my way up.
Work your way up. He's dropping. Oh, he's got a go right in the middle. Oh, I see that 1,000 now.
You saw it though. That was close.
Man, it's like 20s everywhere, and then there's that 1,000 in the middle. There's that 1,000. I see it now, folks.
They don't make it easy. There's a 50 on there though.
2, 1. We're going up here. There's the ball. All right, folks, there's 1,000 in the middle, and Derek from Battle Arcade wants to hit it. Oh! 10. Woo! 10 tickets. He's going to play again. Woo! 9,000. Missing 2 zeros.
This is not easy.
He says it's not easy. He says he's never hit the 1,000. And today he wants it to be his day. Oh, but that's looking way to the side.
No.
And you dip it. Dip it to the middle. Dip it to the middle. Oh,
I'm trying to, I have no idea what I'm trying to do.
I saw what you were trying to do. I mean, that 1,000's in the middle, and you're trying to dip
massage the ball a little bit, you know.
Yeah. You're trying to dip it in the middle where the 1,000 is. Whoa. It's coming down now, folks. Now watch what he's trying to do. You want to try to slide it through. There's a way, a little pathway.
Get in there!
Oh my goodness!
Oh, that was close.
That was really close to the 1,000. Whoa!
I think it bounced off the edge.
It wasn't batted. Oh, it did. It hung. Okay. That's good, man. Oh, I see what you're doing. Down, back down the other way. Down. That's it, dude. What? Okay, I think it cheated you, man, because I saw that go in 1,000. Look at it. Look, y'all. What did you see? Viewers at home. Oh, there's 2 little 10s on the side. Okay, you guys, there's 2 little 10s on the side. That is cheap. Boy, that is cheap. Derek, you gotta be good.
There.
It,
Okay.
bro.
Okay, here it is.
Where'd it go?
Are you ready? It's right here.
I see it. Everybody sees it.
Oh!
What? It's those 10s on the side. It's like, they put these little...
10 every time.
That is crap. That's garbage. Okay, you gonna keep going forever? Keep going on and on?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep going on.
Going on. All right, round 100. Oh!
That was not what I was looking for.
A 10 again, yeah.
I'm at a loss for words. I'm doing so badly.
They really fill this thing up with 10s and 20s, man. That 1,000, it's like 1,000 or bust on this thing. Some of these games give you an 80, you know? Give me 125 every now and again. Give me a little something. But this is 10, 20. And those little 10s on the side are the absolute worst. You are looking at the gears of robot laughter from this. This is split intelligent design and development laughter. Laughing at you over and over.
Alright, it's not gonna be laughing for long, bro.
I see it up there. Right in the 10 again.
Almost got a 50.
This is a game playing a game with you. How long will demand for the tickets in?
Yeah, I'm getting played right now.
Yeah, right now it's bragging. Hold up. Are you playing?
Yeah.
This is bragging to this mega stacker over here. Dude, watch how long I keep this dude going.
Oh, that
In
bounce
the
started.
10. Look, it's bragging to the mega stacker. You ain't got nobody playing, mega stacker. I'm gonna keep this guy over here all day. He's gonna go home with no money. Watch this. This poor guy. Oh, what? Viewers, everybody saw it, dude. I captured it live on camera.
All right, let's try Mega Stacker.
You know what? See you later, baby thing. Not to make you jealous, but we're moving over here. Okay, I'm on the low level. All right, we're starting out down here. All right, here we go, at the bottom. We're at the bottom of the game.
Oh, I didn't want to do that.
He's got to get in the middle there. He's got to get on top of it.
Oh, I'm already not.
I don't even understand why is that counting against. Oh, because I see.
I don't care. I like to make it hard on myself.
Yeah, he likes a challenge. He's not impressed. Oh. Midway up, boy, all the other games are reflecting this thing. So, like, there's your face. Here we are. All right, now it's the ticket level. Ticket level, fun time begins. What happened? Why is it blinking? Why did it do that?
Nothing happened.
Okay. 3 more, the big time, the only thing that's a real challenge for him. Get to the major prize. We want it. We want that 10,
this
15.
is it, Mark.
10, 15. Oh, what? What's he gonna pull out today? You gotta hit the 100 at the top if you're gonna get this ticket.
Oh, I did.
Hey, what?
Stop. Oh,
I was looking at the
200. 200, Mark.
Oh, I see. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
2 times 100.
Okay.
See, the multiplier times 100.
Oh, nice.
Boom.
That wasn't bad. First shot.
I'll take it first strike. First shot. All right, here we go.
Okay.
All right, one more go, one more round.
All right, here it comes. The wheel's spinning. You're hoping for the 100 every time?
Oh, yeah!
Oh,
What's
man!
the multiplier?
Dude's got skill.
Times 1.
Okay.
Okay.
You hit that 100 twice, man.
Woo,
Nice
hit
job.
that 100 twice. I'll take it.
Woo. Landed on a 20.
Times 10. Yes!
Okay.
Times 10, that's
That's
200.
okay.
Another 200.
Sweet, sweet.
Oh my goodness. Woo, I'm crushing this game.
Dude is hitting it.
Mark, when we get done with this game, we might actually be able to afford to eat here.
Oh, yeah. That's about right. This thing better start paying
No
out.
ramen noodles for us tonight, Mark.
Yeah, no, sir. Come on, let's get that 100.
Oh, right next to it.
Oh. What do we
Come on, 10
multiply by
times.
Big 50? No, one.
All right, one more spin, I promise.
Okay.
Take all these tickets, Mark, treat you to a fancy dinner.
I'm looking forward to it. I want that steak. Let me get that steak dinner. Come on, let me get that 100. Times 100.
I'll take another 10 though. I'll take another times 10. Oh, times 1.
I'm eating ramen.
Yeah. All right, we're here at Yachtsy. Gonna try and get that 1,000 tickets. Gotta put in 5 whole credits. Play 5 separate games. Hopefully your total adds up to, well, it's gone now, but whatever you need to win the jackpot. Let's try. Yeah, get close. Oh, we'll get that too. 1, 2, 3. 3 of a kind. I guess I'll hold those. Pop again. Then that's 6. Oh, okay. 5. All right, here we go. I need high numbers. I need some big digits. There we go. 2 5s and 2 6s. Holding those. pop this one out of here. Pop it on over to the other side. No! Right back into one. That's alright, that's alright. We got another game. I got 65 points to go. Come on, big numbers, big numbers. Ooh, not bad, not bad. Not bad. Get rid of this 2. Ooh. Oh, get that 5. Come on, come on. Oh, 6, I'll take it. What'd I get? 2 pair for 24. How many more do I got to get? 40 more points. Okay, here we go. Pop. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Okay, okay, okay. Well, I guess I'll hold. I'm just gonna hold the 5 and the 6. Pop the rest. Woo! Those went up high. Get in that 6. Oh, chance. 20 points to go. This is the last round. Pop. Come on, baby. Give me 20. Give me big numbers. Big numbers. No, not what I want. I'm only gonna hold the 6. So pop in. Pop it, don't stop it. Let's do it. Get in those big numbers. Oh, please be enough. Please be enough. What do I got? What do I got? How many points did I get? Bonus! Yes! 136. Well, that was Yachtsy, everybody. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you want more arcade madness, check out our channel and be sure to subscribe.